What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about the new leaked Moto G Stylus 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. The Moto G Stylus 5G has finally leaked, and Android Police has an article for us. So it says upcoming Moto G Stylus 5G 2022 appears in leaked renders. So it says when we are thinking about smartphones with proper styluses, Samsung's obviously the first company we think of, and I'm hoping they make a mid-range stylus very soon like this. I think it would do very well in this market, to be quite honest. But previously with the standalone Note line, and most recently with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is what I'm filming with right here. But it's far from the only company making stylus-equipped phones these days, especially when we start widening the scope to include capacitive stylus options. While LG's not around anymore, Motorola has found a bit of success with its Moto G Stylus lineup, and today we are checking out some leaked pics of an upcoming 5G model. So as you guys see right here, these are the leaked images. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them up on the screen if you guys don't already see them. But of course, leaker Evan Blass shares his latest finds on 91 Mobiles, and from what we can see, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2022 might have a much closer profile to its 4G counterpart than to last year's version. That means an identical triple rear camera setup, so that's 50 megapixels plus 8 megapixels, ultra wide and plus 2 megapixels depth. We also have 16 megapixels on the front. Overall build, battery capacity, and screen size. So the battery capacity is going to be 5,000 milliamps, I guess, as well. While there could obviously be some differences that aren't immediately visible from these renders, so far this does not look like it treads too far from the source material when it comes to the design. So what is different? It said instead of the MediaTek Helio G88, the 4G model packs, the 5G version is tipped to run a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695, which should spell performance improvements in addition to 5G connectivity. The other notable improvement comes from the screen itself. Instead of 90 Hz, this Moto should support a smoother 120 Hz refresh rate, so that's pretty cool. As for the hardware, we should see up to 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Nothing too surprising there. The handset should launch with Android 12, although don't expect amazing long-term software support knowing Motorola. So yeah, it seems like in the past, Motorola hasn't been doing too well with the software upgrades and stuff, and I don't think it's even going to be as close to the Galaxy A53 software support with up to 2026 software support, which is absolutely amazing. 4 years of software support right there, packed with Android 12 out of the box. But I'm hoping Motorola does do something cool like that. That would definitely be very enticing to the Motorola and the stock Android crowd out there for the Moto G Stylus 5G. But if they don't end up doing anything like that, I would definitely still go with the A53 if you guys don't really need a stylus. I, with my S22 Ultra, haven't even used the stylus as much as I wanted to, so I don't really think for me stylus devices are the move anymore, but for some people out there, they love stylus devices, so this may be an option for you. But yeah guys, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are going to pick this up. If you guys are kind of debating between this and something else, let me know. But hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.